everyone. I come to tell about the natural history of the Mongolian herds. Mongolian gerbils are wild. They are native of the Central Asia, although we can also find them south of Siberia. These regions are arid in summer and too high colds can be experienced in winter. The natural habitat of the gerbils is made of short vegetation and dry soil. They feed on plants, although sometimes they eat insects as sources of water and proteins. In addition, two gerbils often live in groups of 2 or 17 animals of the same species. Their family groups are constituted a reproductive couple and their descendants, which are natural within the week after being born. Thank you very much for your attention. We continue with Karina, who will talk you in more detail about the environmental with the Mongolian herd.
And I will talk to you about the environment. The environment of the Mongolian gerbils. These should be kept in terrariums made of glass or metal and covered. Allow air circulators. Smaller containers do not allow gerbils to void burrows. The optimum ambient temperature for gerbils is between 20 and 24 degrees centigrade. The ability to dig and inhabit a burrow is probably the most important resource for gerbils. It allows thermoregulators, security, and food storage. These desert animals need some baths to clean their fur. They mark their territory with secretions from various aromatic glands for the recognition of kinship.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to talk to you about the disease that Mongolian gerbils can. Some of the diseases are nasal dermatitis. Gerbils produce a pigmented disorder from the glands located behind the eyes, socket-called Hadder's glands. This disorder is reddish-brown in color and is due to the presence of porphyrin. Its presentation is normal, but production can be increased in situations of stress, humanity, or every condition. Animals have anorexia to do not drink water, lose weight, and die. To answer this, the causative agent is Bacillus piliformis, an obligate intercellular bacterium that infects intestinal cells, which also show an affinity for hepatosome and cardiac cells. The things are not specific, but once the disease is present, mortality is very high. Animals can appear apathetic, anorexic, wide speak higher, and hunched posture. There might be diarrhea. And these are some other diseases: parasitic disease, neoplasm, kingdom disease, auditory chlorosoma, epileptiform attacks, tail determined. Cage condition and stress management are critical in disease prevention. Thank you very much for attention. I left you with my partner Laura. She will talk to you about the behavior of disease species.
Thank you, Felipe. My name is Laura Robajo and I will tell you about the signs of behavioral gerbils. It is important to be aware of behavioral change because they are first signs that something is wrong. For example, the increase or decrease of activities resting away from their social environment. In these images we can see some physiopathological signs in gerbils, like a normal tail, with a remarkable hair loss in the tail, or disorders in which the red nose is evidence possible paired with infection, contrasted with a healthy nose and face. Some of the potential signs of health problems may be associated posture or alteration of the toilet. Even abnormal behavior may be separated excavation. Shivering or baiting bar may indicate a motivation to escape or winning early. Now I leave you with my partner Eliana.
My name is Eliana and I'll talk about his work plan of action to improve the welfare of the health. For health quality since information for the but one current and future is crucial to improving health welfare job. 1. Enrichment. 2. The hand health. 3. Social homes. 4. Minimum legal requerimiento y counts of safety. 5. 0.5 square meters of floor space for 2 to 5 animals. 6. 25 centimeters depth of street to handle digging above road. 7. Cell test that hold all animals to wet right. 8. Grind each foot. 9. Once hot head. 10. Sandbags. 11. Mother 10. Groups accommodation.